Hi guys, this is the Boho Babe again. I haven't done a video in a while, but I just wanted to show you a package I just received, and we're just going to do a little reveal. So as you can see, I just received a package from Saks Fifth Avenue. And let me pull up here. Here's my receipt, a little envelope, and can you guess what it is? I'll try not to be too shaky on here. Sorry guys, hold on one second. Can you tell? It's a beautiful black Rebecca Minkoff Morning After Clutch. And after seeing a lot, I was in the market for a new black purse, but I want something not too big. I had a big white Michael Kors purse in the summer, and of course I've switched to my Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene for the fall, but I definitely needed something black, and I just wanted something small. Hold on one second. Sorry. There's the beautiful gold buckle in the front. And I really debated between this size, the Mac, and the Mac Daddy. But after seeing a lot of pictures, I decided that this would be plenty big, and I think it is. The whole point of me getting it was that I wanted something smaller. This has the gold hardware. That's the only thing about doing an unboxing, is that you have to deal with all of the wrapping and tissue and all of that. I'll go on and show you the inside. Big pocket in the back. Rebecca Minkoff logo. So I'm very excited. So this is my unboxing, and I'll probably do a what's in my bag soon, and maybe even model the purse for you so you can see the size. Thank you for watching. Sorry for all the camera shaking and everything. Okay, thanks.